The Lion Who Learned to Listen. In the heart of the great savannah, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. He was strong, fast, and had the loudest roar of all. Because of this, he believed he was the wisest animal in the land. Whenever the other animals tried to speak, Leo would interrupt and say, "I already know everything." One day, a drought struck the savannah. The river dried up, and the animals struggled to find water. They gathered to discuss a solution, but Leo stood tall and declared, "I will find water myself. I don't need anyone's advice." Leo searched far and wide, but the land was dry. Exhausted and thirsty, he returned to the group. This time, he noticed the animals speaking quietly among themselves. Curious, he decided to listen. The wise old tortoise spoke. "Long ago, our ancestors found water by following the flight of birds. They always know where to find hidden lakes." Leo watched the birds soaring high above and decided to follow them. To his surprise, they led him to a hidden oasis filled with fresh, cool water. Overjoyed, he hurried back to tell the others. From that day on, Leo understood that strength alone wasn't enough. True wisdom came from listening. He became a leader not because of his roar, but because he valued the voices of others. And the savannah flourished, thanks to a lion who had learned to listen.
Thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.